Why Excel is still king in data analysis? When people talk about data analysis today, you hear big buzzwords: Python, R, Skull, AI. It feels like Excel is old school, outdated, maybe even irrelevant. But here's the truth: Excel is still the king of data analysis. Over 750 million people use it worldwide and in many industries. Excel is the first and sometimes the last tool analysts reach for. So, why does Excel continue to dominate in a world full of advanced tech? Let's find out. First, Excel is universal. Almost everyone has used it at some point, whether for budgets, reports, or projects. You don't need coding skills or complex installations. Open your computer, click the green icon, and you're ready to go. That accessibility makes Excel the gateway into the world of data for millions. It's the common language of analysis. Second, Excel is way more powerful than people give it credit for. Most users only touch the surface basic formulas, maybe a few charts. But hidden beneath is a treasure chest of advanced features. Pivot tables can instantly summarize massive datasets. Conditional formatting highlights trends before your eyes. Lookups connect datasets like a relational database. And with Power Query and Power Pivot, Excel can handle millions of rows that once seemed impossible. But here's where Excel really shines: visualization. Sure, you've seen the basic bar charts and pie charts, but Excel can create heat maps, sparklines, waterfall charts, and interactive dashboards that rival specialized tools. With a little creativity, you can make stunning visuals that tell stories, not just show numbers. And the best part? It's all right there in a tool you already know how to use. Of course, there are critics. They argue that Excel isn't scalable, that it breaks with big data, that it's prone to errors. And yes, that's true. If you're running billion row datasets, you need something like Skull or Python. But here's the reality: 90% of business problems don't involve billion row datasets. Most involve sales records, budgets, customer lists, or survey results. For those cases, Excel is not just enough, it's perfect. And let's not ignore the fact that Excel keeps evolving. Features like dynamic arrays, the lookup function, and integrations with Power BI prove Microsoft is keeping Excel fresh for the modern data era. It's no longer just a spreadsheet, it's a full analysis environment. Here's another point: Excel builds trust. When you present a dashboard in Excel, your audience knows they can open it, check the formulas, and understand it. That transparency is powerful. Compare that with black box AI models that spit out predictions no one can explain. Excel may not sound fancy, but it's relatable, transparent, and trusted by decision makers. So, if you're starting your data journey, don't feel pressured to jump straight into Python or our master Excel first. It will teach you logic, structure, and the foundations of analysis. And if you're an advanced analyst, don't underestimate Excel. It might not handle your machine learning models, but for day-to-day analysis and quick visualizations, it's unbeatable. At the end of the day, Excel is like the Swiss Army knife of data analysis. It may not always be the sharpest tool for specialized tasks, but it's always useful, always available, and always relevant. That's why even in 2025 Excel is still king.